Hi Skip, how you doing? I'm glad that you joined us here for the testimonial and just some thoughts on day trading forex live. And so I guess the first question that I wanted to get for me and for everybody else listening, what has been your experience prior to finding day trading forex live? What has your general forex experience been?
Before I follow you guys, I I dig into a lot of stuff and lost a lot of money. I I I just don't win. I lose all the time. I lost more than I win. Every now and then I win a couple hundred bucks here and there, but most of the time I lost because lack of experience, lack of education. That's where I'm at.
So it's pretty common thing there. Really, just if you had to sum it up, maybe you'd say lack of the ability to remain consistent, to consistently week in week out turn profit. I guess is what uh, what you're saying
That's
there.
exactly, yeah.
Okay. Well then, the second point here is what made you choose day trading forex live? What about the front end of the site did you find attractive? What did you see that you thought interested
Um,
you in the
the
service?
reason why I chose day trading forex live is most of the stuff is in front of your website already. Um, but and you know, with the video, I cannot ask question. So I that's why I joined. And the thing is, your fee is not that compared to people out there. Your fee is really cheap. And as far as the service go, you guys are the best. I deserve. I got more than what I paid for, and is the most valuable service I ever get. Um, if I have to if I have to scale you guys one to 10, I would give you 10 plus. Compared to the money I spend out there, um, not none of those guys can compare to you and Chad. You guys are the best for the price that I paid.
So, talking in along the lines of the service, when you talk about the customer service and the different parts of the service, what is it about the service that you've really found useful? Is the first part of that question. Then, how has your success been once you've really put in the effort to learn the strategy? What type of experience have you had putting the strategy to use in your own trading?
Um, with the service that when I get question, I was amazed at how quickly you guys respond. And I know people are not going to be sitting in front of the computer at all time, but um, I I didn't even know that you guys are online, and I just type in the question I have, and I got a response right already, and it was like, oh wow, that's quick. And I never get that from other people. I never ever get from other people. The only time people get quick response to me when they need me to sign up, not after. And you guys did that. You guys did after. You got respond after what I joined. And with day trading Forex Live, when I put my effort in, to be honest with you, the first time that I joined, I did not spend enough time on it, and my trading experience still fell. And I think I joined after I joined about 3 4 months, maybe. I'm not sure how long, but I went back and watched the video and study. I listened to the video at work because I can't watch it at work. So I watch it for like 8 hours a day, pretty much. I cut off the time that I work. It probably about six. And it clicked on my mind. Okay, this is what he's talking about. This is, um, you know, you spend time on it, you'll get it, but you have to spend time on it and focus on what you're saying, and go back to the chart and learn from there. And I after I went back to learning for a second time, and I used your strategy. I won 4 out of 4 by predicting where the future is going to be. Uh, None of the predictions can be 100%, but it was right. It was right. I seen it that this is where the market going to go the next couple hours or 4 or 5 hours. And I got it.
So I guess and this is a very similar thing to what we hear a lot of times. People, and we try to reiterate this many times before somebody does sign up. There's so much in the back end of the service when it comes to support. There's the daily market reviews, which are essential. There's obviously the course. There's the live Forex room, which we record those sessions for members. But really what we always try and say is if somebody can put in an hour's worth of work, they will find success. And I think that was similar to what you found in the beginning. Maybe you didn't put forth any effort, but then you really buckled down, put forth the effort, and you started seeing the results with that. Is that what you would say is fairly accurate?
Yes.
Well, that's great. Okay. So as a final thought, is there anything else you would say about the service? Is there anything you'd like to say to somebody, maybe that's a prospective client, as far as the value of the service, if you do value the service after you've now purchased it?
I value every single minute, every single information you put out there, and it's amazing that you guys don't charge more. And to people out there, that if you guys are looking for the service, for the good service, I know I used to be in your shoe. I know that I used to be skeptical about anything, especially the cheap, the low price member fees and those kind of things. And most of the people think, okay, if you pay a low price, you're not gonna get a good service or good quality of whatever you buy. And this is the first time I ever proved that wrong. This is the first time ever. You're right. In life, usually, if you pay for the cheap stuff, you're not gonna get a good one, a good product or service, whatever you call it. But this is the first time. Sterling and Chad proved me wrong. This is the first time in my life that the price is not expensive, but I get the best service.